Hi guys, we're gonna talk about the real-world performance of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It's gonna be both the Exynos 2200 and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. And the Exynos 2200 is really gonna surprise you because it's performing really good despite the criticisms. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get daily tech updates. And drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So the YouTuber bored at work did a gaming test of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and in the test, the S22 Ultra cut through every game like knife through butter, except Black Desert and Genshin Impact, where he had quite a few frame drops. Now, this could be due to Genshin Impact's poor optimization, because he compared it to his iPhone 13 Pro Max and that performed even worse than the S22 Ultra. The S22 Ultra had 42 frames per second on the highest settings, while the iPhone had 39 frames per second on the same settings. That aside, the S22 Ultra actually ran cooler than the iPhone for the same time of gameplay. So with 20 minutes of gameplay, the S22 Ultra had about 40.9 degrees Celsius, while the iPhone got to about 45 degrees, which is pretty hot. And this is the Snapdragon variant. So despite the rumors of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 overheating, Samsung has managed to keep the heat down with its much improved heat dissipation technology. And the power consumption isn't as bad as it was rumored to be, because an hour-long session of gaming takes about 15% of battery life. That's gonna give roughly 6 hours of uninterrupted gaming session. And bear in mind, this is still running pre-release software. Samsung has planned a huge update for the 25th that's gonna improve on a lot of things, so we can expect even better performance and battery life. And for the Exynos 2200 variant of the S22 Ultra, Mr. Who's the Boss did a battery comparison between the S21 Ultra, iPhone 13 Pro Max, Google Pixel 6 Pro, and Xiaomi 12 Pro powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. And during the test, the Exynos 2100 and 2200 actually beat the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in a video rendering session. Now, what is surprising is the Exynos 2100 beats the Exynos 2200, which shouldn't be the case, but this is pre-release software. But the Exynos 2100 also beat the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 on the Xiaomi 12 Pro, which is confusing because the Xiaomi 12 Pro has been out for almost 2 months now. So Xiaomi should have properly optimized the performance. It's also worth noting that the S21 Ultra actually outlasted the S22 Ultra in this test. But anyway, I'll still prefer to wait for the final software and a comparison between two S22 Ultras, one powered by the Exynos 2200 and the other by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get daily tech updates. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.